Tihar jail, Delhi. The Indian authorities buried his dead body in Tihar jail, and we are asking to hand over Maqbool Butt Shaheed's remains to his family and his nation so they can bury his body with dignity and respect. This is first time ever you guys will know that the big democracy, India, they hanged Maqbool Butt Shaheed and they buried him in Tihar jail. We demand our national hero's body should be handed over to us so we can bury it with dignity and respect. And second important issue I want to raise, the reason we are in front of British Parliament Square today is to raise the voice for the voiceless Kashmiris, because more than 1.5 million diaspora Kashmiri community is living in this country. And when India and Pakistan was on the global map, the British rulers left us in the mess, and now it's the international community, it's their responsibility to resolve this issue, because this is not the issue between India and Pakistan. This is the issue of more than 22 million people living in that state. So their basic human rights violation as per 2019 human rights report and other reports, as you know that Amnesty International has been banned from Indian occupied Kashmir and is banned from India. They're not allowed to work in India or in Kashmir. Sam, I would like to quote when Debbie Abraham, the chairperson of her time all-party parliamentarian group, tried to visit Jammu Kashmir state. She was deported from Srinagar airport, never allowed her to go inside and find the fact finding. So I urge the British Parliament and the British government today that there should be a fact-finding commission going inside the Jammu Kashmir state and find out what's happening, why the people are behind the bars, why our youngsters are missing, why we have thousands of missing persons, their families, they have their concern. So to raise the voice, not only for Maqbool Butt Shaheed, but we are here to raise voice for Yasin Malik, Chairman Jammu Kashmir Liberation Front, who is in Tihar jail. We are here to raise voice for all the political prisoners and all those who are behind the bars. There's thousands of youngsters. There are hundreds of journalists who are raising their voice for the Kashmiris. They are behind the bars. So it's not only Maqbool Butt Shaheed. There's thousands of Maqbool Butt behind the bars. We need to raise our voice. So I would urge you all media personnel today, please raise this voice for the voiceless Kashmiris, not only in your social circle, but in national and international media. So the voice of the Kashmiris must be heard when we talk about cats and honeybees in United Kingdom. We must talk about the Kashmiri lives, which matters to us. We have our families living on the bloody ceasefire line, and our lives are in danger. And two atomic powers, if there is an atomic war between India and Pakistan, do you know what's going to happen? This is not 1914, this is not 1940, we are living in 2025. So I expect my international community, they will bring India and Pakistan on the table and they resolve this issue. And my dream and Maqbool Butt Shaheed and Yasin Malik's dream, the prosperous, independent Kashmir as it was before 1947 when they left us, when the British rulers left India.
Hand over!
Maqbool remain!
Hand over!
Maqbool remain!
Hand over!
Maqbool remain!
Hand over!
Maqbool remain!
We want freedom! We want freedom! गैर मुल्की फौजों
छोड़ दो कश्मीर को!
गैर मुल्की आर्मी
कश्मीर को!
We want
Freedom!
When do we want it?
Now!
When do we we want it?
Now.
When do we want it?
Now.
Stop killing.
In Kashmir.
Stop raping.
In Kashmir.
Stop raping.
In Kashmir.
Stop killing.
In Kashmir.
Butcher forces in Kashmir.
Out, out.
Stop killing.
Foreign forces.
Out,
out. Foreign forces.
Out, out.
India and Pakistan.
Out, out.
India and Pakistan.
Out, out.
Kashmir should become independent. Kashmir will become independent. Kashmir will become independent.
Kashmir belongs to
Kashmiri.
Kashmir belongs to
Kashmiri.
Kashmir belongs to
Kashmiri.
Thank you.
छोड़ दो कश्मीर को
गैर मुल्की कास्पर
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 छोड़ दो कश्मीर को
One nation.
One flag. One flag.
Foreign forces. Foreign forces. Killer forces. Butcher forces. Butcher forces. All the forces. All the forces. Killer forces.
कश्मीर को खून से सैंटा कोई बात
In Kashmir. Out. Freedom. Kashmiri want freedom. Out.